Let's make a pipe cleaner turtle. Take 2 pipe cleaners and cut them in half. We are creating a carcass for the top shell and we need the 6 branches. Next we start weaving. I sort of twist a pipe cleaner around each branch. The number of pipe cleaners will depend on how big you want the top shell to be. Once you finish, you just push all the edges inside the carcass. In exactly the same way, we create the bottom shell, except I used 3 whole pipe cleaners. I didn't cut them because the remaining part of each pipe cleaner will be used as a leg or a head, as you can see here. And if you need an extra pipe cleaner for the head, you can use it, of course. And the eyes were made with the cardstock.